Prompt priming refers to the practice of providing some initial input to the model before generating a response. Okay. Now, this does not mean that your model will not generate a response for you. It will definitely generate a response, but most times the response you get are not what you actually need. Hence, the introduction of prompt priming. Okay. So the more relevant keyword you give to your model, for example, ChatGPT, the more relevant response you will get. All right. So let's look at the scenario where you want to go on a vacation to, let's say, Asia, for example. Okay. Now in Asia, there are a lot of places you can visit in Asia. Okay. Now if you tell ChatGPT to give you a suggestion, ChatGPT can just pick anywhere for you in Asia. All right, that is nice. But what if you wanted to go on this vacation with your kids? You can tell ChatGPT I want to go on a vacation to Asia with a budget of $500 with my kids. Now, you've told ChatGPT about the budget, you've told ChatGPT that you're going with kids, and probably you can also say, okay, I want to stay for 2 days. You've also told ChatGPT how long you intend to stay. So ChatGPT will bring all this together and then take a look at, okay, first off, he's going with kids. That means that place has to be kid friendly. Secondly, his budget is $500. So kids friendly and within $500, and he's staying for 2 days. That means that $500 we have to accommodate him for 2 days with his kids. You can even go ahead and say 2 kids or 3 kids, as the case may be. Right. Now, with all this information, ChatGPT can now give you a more relevant response. Now, let's put this into practice. I want to go on a vacation to Asia. Give me 2 places I can visit. Let's just say this is without prompt priming, yeah? And let's see. Sure, yeah, to Kyoto, Japan, highlight. Okay, it's still generating. And Bali. That's Indonesia. Okay, so ChatGPT gave us Kyoto, Japan, and Bali, Indonesia. Now, let's now add prompt priming to this. Let me see. Let me just create a new chat. Okay, so let's see. Let me ask you, I want to go on a vacation with my kids, with my 2 kids and wife. Yeah. And then my budget for everything is, let's say, 1,000 USD. I mean, I don't know where I'll be staying with 1,000 USD or what I'll do with it anyways, but let's say 1,000 USD. Give me, sorry, give me, 2 places I can go to, or I can visit. Yes, I can visit. Yeah, I want to go on a vacation with my 2 kids and wife. My budget for everything is $1,000. That's 1,000 USD. Give me 2 places I can visit. So let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. With a budget of 1,000 for a family vacation, you want to focus on a destination that offers affordable accommodations, activities, and food. Okay. Now let's see. Now it's telling me to go to Tennessee. Yeah, it's a suggestion that can fit my budget. Go to Tennessee and then South Carolina. Okay. Now, why this is giving me this is because I did not tell it where I want to go on the vacation. Now you can see it just streamlined telling me well. Now let me now re-edit this. You can always go back and edit your message. I want to go on a vacation with my 2 kids. I want to go on a vacation with my 2 kids and wife to Asia. Let's see what it comes up with. Well, 1000, all of this. Thailand first. Okay. Now it's giving me everything I need to know. Vietnam. Now with my budget, and since the family vacation, it's giving me even like estimated price of how much I have to pay for things. And then look at this budget breakdown approximation. See? It even went ahead to even give me more steps. So now you can see this, I gave it number of kids and my wife. I also said, okay, I'm going on a vacation to Asia. I also gave it a budget. That gave me two places, that Thailand and Vietnam. Now compare this answer, or should I say this response, to this. Now, obviously, Japan is more expensive, and Indonesia will be more expensive, right? And these places, maybe I've never been to Japan and Indonesia before, anyways, but it might not be kids friendly. Okay, so that's why it chose these two places for me. Right. So with prompt priming, I've been able to tell ChatGPT that to streamline the response for me. Okay, using these keywords, my budget, yeah, my budget, number of kids and wife, which means family, and where I want to visit. Okay, so you should actually start using prompt priming today.